Kamala Harris was campaigning in Las Vegas, Nevada Sunday, seemingly unbothered by the chemical explosion or the severe flooding from Hurricane Helene that has caused dozens of deaths and hundreds more in emergency rescues of families trapped in their homes by rising floodwaters. Watch this.
Said an ANF reporter, and you're pretty connected with the ANF. What? Hold on.
In the early afternoon on Sunday, Rockdale County Sheriff LeVette stood in front of the massive plume of smoke to provide an update and tell residents to, quote, stay away from this area, end quote. And here's what it looked like from the highways.
Wow.
Residents in the area were immediately evacuated and asked to stay inside with windows closed to prevent exposure to the hazardous materials. Rockdale County put out an emergency alert at 10:45 a.m. asking churches to, quote, cancel all church services for the day, end quote, and, quote, if a church service is already in session, please disperse immediately and do not travel through the affected area of town, end quote.